Our Prophet, the Kaaba fortress was conquered. After the conquest, our Prophet rested a little. When the war ended, he would stay for 3 days. There were wounded people, their care was needed, and if they were dead, their burials had to be done. Staying for 3 days was sooner on the battlefield. The daughter of the fortress commander, her father had been killed. This is war. She asked, "Shall we cook a lamb and serve it?" They were like guests. It should indeed be served to our Prophet. She investigated which part he liked the most. They said, away from the impure parts. That is, away from the legs and intestines. He liked those parts of the meat. Since she knew this, she put a lot of poison in those parts. Then she served it to our Prophet. Our Prophet took a bite. The bone of the cooked lamb spoke, "O Messenger of Allah, do not eat me, I am poisoned." Allah, who makes everything speak, made us speak too, it said. Tomorrow, in the hereafter, our flesh and skin will speak. Tongues will be silent, feet will speak. The Quran says so. Do you deny it? Well, does a foot have a soul? Does a foot have its own tongue? No. Then how does it speak? The bone also speaks here. These are things mentioned in the Quran. Why shouldn't it happen in this world? Is there any deficiency in Allah's power? The bone said, "Do not eat me, I am poisoned." Immediately our Prophet asked, "Who prepared this meal?" The girl's name was Zainab. She was the daughter of Harith. There was a famous Jew named Marhab. She was his sister. Our Prophet called the girl and asked, "What have you done?" She asked, "What happened?" Our Prophet asked, "Was this a gift or charity?" He had learned this too. If she had said it was charity, our master would not eat it. She had learned everything. Of course, the espionage of the Jews is strong. She said, No, it is a gift." When she said that, our Prophet ate it. Some of the companions also ate. Our Prophet suddenly stopped. "Stop! Call that girl." She came. He asked, "Did you put poison in this lamb?" The girl asked, "Who told you this?" That is something hidden, not easily known. It could be mistaken for a spice. Yes. Our Prophet said, "This bone spoke." Look, this bone here. This bone said, "You put poison in it." She admitted it. According to the most authentic narrations, our Prophet forgave this woman. Now look, she put poison to kill. Then he asked, "What was your purpose? Why did you poison this?" She said, "I had this intention, thinking this man killed my father and invaded our castle, so if you are a liar, not a true prophet, you will eat and die. People will be rid of you. You have become a trouble for them. If you are truthful, a true prophet, then it should not harm you. If you are a real prophet, you should have a miracle. Allah should protect you. Then it should not harm you. I was testing you," she said. Our Prophet said, "You said the truth. You stated your intention. That is why I forgive you."